Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change slow motion video recording option on your iPhone SE 2020. How to change the mode for your slow motion. So you go from your iPhone SE 2020, you go to settings here, settings. Alright, and then scroll down and down to camera close to photos and books camera. On camera field you go to record slow-mo, record slow-mo here. It's on HD at 240 frames per second. So you click on record slow-mo. Then here you can change slow motion mode to full HD at 120 frames per second, or to HD at 240, or to full HD, which is high efficiency full HD at 240 frames per second, high efficiency and 1080p HD at 240 FPS. Video will only play on Mac OS High Sierra 10.13 or later version. Just for information, you can learn more, but actually I prefer to be on 240 frames per second on a HD mode for the best slow motion recording without any troubles, or if you use especially if you use Windows system. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.